hit the road with the sun on our side. Couple good friends in a cooler full of sky. Left that work week way back in town. Now the hills are calling and we're not slowing down. Turn that song up, let the windows shake. Every curve feels like a clean slate. There's a little place where the wild trees lean and the whole world glows like a movie scene. We're coming alive tonight. Got that fire in our eyes, out where the stars don't hide, at the Harden Hideaway high. This is the good life, hands up, hearts wide, laughing like we found what money can't buy. Fire pit burning and the moon on the rise. Everybody feels 10 feet high at the Harden Hideaway. We let the whole world fade, dancing where the tall trees sway, at the Harden Hideaway. Coffee in the morning, barefoot on the floor. Somebody's already laughing out the door. Sunlight spilling through the window pane, feels like yesterday washed off in the rain. Hot tub steam and a sunset glow. One more story everybody already knows, but it gets funnier every time it's told. That's how weekends turn into gold. We're coming alive tonight. Got that fire in our eyes, out where the stars don't hide, at the Harden Hideaway high. This is the good life, hands up, hearts wide, laughing like we found what money can't buy. Fire pit burning and the moon on the rise. Everybody feels 10 feet high at the Harden Hideaway. We let the whole world fade, dancing where the tall trees sway, at the Harden Hideaway. Stay a little longer, let the night get louder. We ain't chasing nothing, we already found it. Stay a little longer, let the porch light shine. Nobody wants to leave when it feels this right. We're coming alive tonight. Got that fire in our eyes, out where the stars don't hide, at the Harden Hideaway high. This is the good life, hands up, hearts wide, laughing like we found what money can't buy. Fire pit burning and the moon on the rise. Everybody feels 10 feet high at the Harden Hideaway. We let the whole world fade, dancing where the tall trees sway, at the Harden Hideaway.
Listen, take it from me, these cabins book up fast. If you wait too long, you'll miss out on the best spot. And frankly, I need some company out here. Head to Johnson Hillside Cabins and book your stay today.